Hi friend, how are you? Hope so doing great. Today I'm talking about five most important website and as you know and very interesting website. I hope you are getting all and this is video is very long and don't worry, but knowledge is getting and let's go start without wasting time. So first of all, first drive is the PDF drive and .NET. So I go to Google Drive and Chrome opens and type here PDF drive.net, that is mentioned here, and click here. As you can see, all topic is so here, and I need the some subject and programming language C++. I want to book C++, and then C++ all languages this here, and very easily to download and very easily to access here. And don't worry, all books is here available, is very easily to access. So you have this. I would like to show the second topics, and my second topic is the copy website. And a lot of people is thinking is the how to the copy website, and I don't know. And suppose for example, and click here and show other website, Microtech and some small and Amazon, sorry, and Excel. Okay, Excel, only Excel. Lot of people, lot of website here and showing, and click, and after that showing this Microsoft's website. And then this is site is very important, and HTTPS and HTTP and two different type of this input box, and HTTP, and this is HTTP is not secure site, and the HTTPS is the very secure site, and very secure site is not but this website is copy is here. So let's start how to copy this website. You can see, and this very most important website in the Excel is the all formula included here, and this tab is closed and open a new tab. We can use the new tab and st, okay, st track, डाउनलोड, ठीक है। इस सॉफ्टवेयर को हम डाउनलोड यहाँ से करेंगे, एंड दिस सॉफ्टवेयर इज़ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड आई होप you get it. And download link is the mentioned description link, and you can go there and click this description and read the sites. So I am already download here, and this is sites, and open this link. And this drive is so here, my laptop is partitions, C drive, E drive, D drive, E drive, CD-ROMs, and all mentioned here. And then click next here, and after all project names Excel, EXCL Excels mentioned here, and not disturb here any, because not so here because not accepted on any program. So you have, we can next, and web address all mentioned in the document. This side is the mention here, and already I have to go there, and this side is copy here, and this side is, and this there is the paste, okay, paste here, and then next, finish. So my website is copy and already copies, okay. So let's go see the website, how to looking for this website. Then my computers, C drive, E drives, and going to Excel book. Sorry, not Excel book, Excel website, Excel site book. Okay, right. This mention here, all website is copy here, and your net is not on, and anytime you access this site and double click to Internet Explorer, Chrome, you can choose the Chrome, and you can see all topic is copy very easily, very easily. Oh my god, very easily. So you can all type website is the copy this software, and very interesting software, because all time I need the website, how to make, how to create, and I don't know how to create. So let's start and the copy this all website and full proof this working. And this software is this link is provide already mentioned description links, so you can go there and download this software. And then next website is, and next website is the very most important, and all a lot of people is the now how to change the IP address. Is the IP address is the most important in laptop, and all illegal work and this trace police for your IP address and location very easily. So today I am talking about how to change your IP address. So close the tab, okay, and type here what is the my IP address. What is the my IP, and then enter, and you can see here my IP address is this. Okay, then copy and open notepad, okay, and then paste here, and my IP address is current time is 189, okay, and my IP address is actually Delhi National Capital Territories. Actually my system is disconnected this IP address, and this IP address is location New Delhi. So today I am talking about how to change this IP address very easily, very easily. So let's start how to change the IP address. Okay, you can see here, and my IP address here, and close the tabs. Then here click OK, and all countries here, what to do and what the need for my IP address. My IP address is German, okay, Germany. Let's start, and today again check what is the my IP, okay, and then click OK. You can see here my IP address is changed, okay, and Control C and then Control V. Very easily IP address change and just 30 seconds. And I know you are very interesting how to change the IP address, and how to you can use the software. So don't worry, I am here, and all problem yours solved, don't worry. Okay, and check the location, where is the location showing, exact location showing New Delhi or Germany location showing. Digital Franks man, the house in Digital Mansion Franks city house, country is Germany. this time my IP address showing is the Germany, not India. I am sitting in Germany. I am sitting here New Delhi, and my IP address showing is the Germany. How very interesting. Oh my god. Let's start. How to change the IP address? First of all, I am going to setting and then going to extension and click here. After that, type here tu tunnel 1. Already this mention my Chrome browser extension, so you can other tabs showing here, and this extension is this, so accepted, so you can accept it, and then showing here on off. Okay, and then you can on off here and on and change the IP address very easily. Once more, I am going to setting and after that I am going extension and type tu tunnel 1 is showing here, and this accept extension, and after that this software is showing here on off. Okay, and this software is on here and your IP address change. And I one things bro, this software is using and very easily, and not use this criminals records. Okay, because as you know, criminal police is the very critical and very dangerous, so I wanna to the not use this generally. Okay, so thank you so much. And next topic is how to mail and lot of people. One things I am sending to one people's, and I want to need the all people sending mails and very long, at least 1 2 3 4. I am type here. Okay, I am type here any persons and one by one sending mails, but I want to sending all people sending is the one time. So how this possible? We can do it. Okay, so let's start. How to this mail? All mails is sending one times, not one by one, only one times. Okay, so I am going to setting sorry, I am going to dot 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 okay, I am going to there and contact, click their contact. After that, make the one labels, create a label. I am create a label. Okay, Tech Mahindra. Okay, and then save here and create the label Tech Mahindra, and I am going to create contact and mention here all mentions, suppose that Sanjay and Sanjay @gmail.com. okay, after that you save here create again and you can see here, so this and again okay, Manoj Singh @gmail.com, and again save, and 2% is the save here, and after that click there because already this name is showing here. Okay, and go back to mail and compose here, and name is the Tech Mahindra. Okay, and subject my CV. Okay, and the sections. Hi, I am Ashish Kumar Singh and I hope so. Okay, this type is, and what is the name is the mention there, Tech Mahindra, TECS, this show here, and Tech Mahindra 1 and Tech Mahindra 2. Okay, Tech Mahindra 1 already automatically accepted here in this 2% and send this mail, and very easily 2%, 3%, 4%. A lot of people is the mention here is this one time is the sending this all people is mail very quickly, at least 2 seconds. Okay, I hope you are getting this, and don't worry, any issue for this any software, then description link below side, and type the exact problem and definitely I will help you. Okay, so next topic is the very important, and education is this boring serious, and one things, and I want to search a movie, and Google is search movie, then Google's type here is this Google, and type the movie name. Okay, Commando 3. Okay, download. Okay, and this link, and very various open, but movie is definitely finally not download. Okay, but don't worry, I am here and I am definitely help you, and I will try the my level best, and I have one website is showing here, and all movie is the very easily download. Okay, so don't worry, let's start how to the download movie, all movies. So type here, so type here movie. Okay, movieflix.com. okay, don't worry, I am description link is this mention this side, and very hugely, very quickly and very easily this website is. Okay, this website is showing here, and then one click, and this is movies, sorry, adult movies and dual movies, multiple movies, and gender here, and comedy, crime, fantastic, horror movies, romantic, drama, trailer. If you want to any other movie watching this time, and you can use very easily and very easily download here. All mention is movie 120172015, and quality is already mentioned here. Okay, quality is 7020s, 480s, and 1080s, and very interesting, an action movie, adventure, advocate, all series is mentioned here, and this is a plus point is here, and this showing for this all web series is mentioned here, Amazon Prime, Netflix, English, Hindi. I hope you got it and very enjoy this video. Okay, So already just one movie is download here, don't worry. And this showing here is this Hollywood's movie, don't worry. I'm clicking Bollywood. So you can see all Bollywood movies is showing here, and this is a download this links, this shows okay, and I'm clicking download. After that I'm scrolling and downside, okay, this mention is here. If you want to 480s and 480s and 180s, I want to download these movies, okay, and I am clicking here, and this website it automatically redirect this site, okay. But don't worry, this link is mentioned here and first circle, and this again this side is clicking here and automatically wave this side. So download now, okay, and then automatically mention and show here and save. After that this movies is very easily this web series, actually this is a web series because this file size is that 3.80 GB, very long. So very easily is download via all web series is Amazon, other Netflix, anyone web series is download here is very quickly and very easily. I hope today this video is very interesting, and thank you so much for watching my video. All the best.